Here we go, guys. That's the first one. $250. Come on. Oh, mini, 50 bucks. That is the one. Come on, measure. Now we need the green one. You need the green one. You do it. Son?
Don't keep saying wait.
Is it 6 or 3? Only 3. Oh, that's good. Oh, coins. Oh, that's perfect. 77. Just wait some.
More coins.
It's
Can I
decent.
come back? Give us the lifeline.
No.
Can you stop swinging
I'm
my
sorry.
chairs?
Go to the left then. Keep always fighting with me. Come on. Come on, big numbers. Come on. A mini would be nice now.
Oh, come on. Give us
Come on,
something.
give us the big numbers. You can give anything. Okay, last 2. Come on, let's give the grand. Save her. Okay, it's better than nothing. Yeah, get to the left. One more and stop. Here we go, guys. That's the first one. $250. Come on. Oh, mini, 50 bucks. That is the one. Come on, measure. Now we need the green one. You need the green one. You do it. Come on, Sam. Get another mini. Get another mini. Oh, get anything.
Oh, it's not coming then.
It's coming now. Watch. Here we go. That's the saver. What a fucking bonus. Oh, that was another one.
Imagine.
It's gonna pop up the champagne, baby. Ching ching. Oh, and the mini. Oh, the other minor came as well. Happy days. Only $1.25, guys. Come on, let's get the pack up. You reckon? One more? That's it. Again, baby. Come on, go ahead. Let's get another mini or minor. Maybe grand would be nice. Oh, it's coming. Mini. Last one. Oh, please, come on, give us that
Oh,
grand.
if only there was a coin.
Come on, just give it. $11,000. Come on, do it. Oh, it's just a chuck it in. Oh, but it's still good with the mini. Oh, another champagne in the same fucking time. Is this over 100 now? Ching ching. We're over 400 now. Happy days. That is what we call a good machine, guys. Back to back. Come on, back to back. Nah, doesn't do it. Oh, just keep playing. Come on. Come on. Let's gonna drop a minor now. Okay, drop anything. Okay. Yes! Another mini. Come on, give us that grand. We deserve a grand, come on. Okay, saver. Happy days. And another champagne. Come on, back to back would be nice now. One, two. Oh! Really unlucky on that for us. Now, come on. Oh, yes. That's good. Come on, please, yeah. Okay. Oh, the mini. Ah, come on, big ones. Okay, 25, that's good. Oh, saver. It's okay, we still have some games. How many games we still have? 4 games, come on. Oh, that's good. It's decent, yeah. Come on, 1 more points. Oh yes, good one. 3 more games. Oh, decent. Oh yes. We needed a good bonus. The small numbers, but maybe the minor will do it. Please, that would be brilliant. Come on, 3 digits at least. Oh. Come on, get a mini or minor. Saver. Oh, the minor. Oh, the mini and the minor was. Oh, the minor. Come on, drop the minor. Oh. Oh, yes. Come on. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Oh, yes. Come on. Get that grand. You never know. This one is not working. Nah.
Try it. Yeah, you can try it. Maybe they fixed it.
Come on, get it, Sam. Get it. Oh, still good.
I think it's Jared. Yeah, it's been like it for weeks.
Come on, 1 loss. Okay, that's good.
How much is that? 180. Okay, that's something.
Oh, one more. Back to back. Come on, let's get the bloody minor.
I just had a feeling we're going to get the. I thought we were going to get the major on this one today. Love it if that was actually the case.
Maybe we're gonna get in there.
Oh, no.
Come on, give anything.
I saw the major.
Oh, damn it!
I really thought we were going to get it.
Didn't come now.
Oh,
Okay, don't die. Come on, save it.
oh you bastard. You
I
see
know,
it?
it's like 3 times rolling.
thought I
Oh no, that was so close. Come on, maybe back. Another back to back.
saw it. Oh, I really thought it was going to come. I've been thinking that it's going to come. the whole night.
Oh, come on, go. Oh, no.